guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing, sending positive vibes like always. So today I have a haul, and this haul is not like other hauls that I have made from the Dollar Tree. I actually have food, I have goodies, I have a little bit of everything this time. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so I have decided that I'm going to start with makeup, and then I will move to like the food and the junk food and all that. Okay, I'm going to start off with these. These are from the brand Say, and they are reusable makeup remover rounds. So this is what they look like. They are so pretty to me, and they are super bouncy, which I really like. And then I like that they have this so you could hang it anywhere, and you're able to wash these. They feel really good, and for $125 you get 3. I cannot wait to use these. I've heard so many good things about them, and like I always say, if I like these, you will definitely be seeing these in a favorites. Moving on, I went a little crazy with the lippies. I found so many good lip products that I am so excited to show them to you guys. This is from Maybelline, and this is the Vivid Matte liquid lip color, and this is in the tone 02, which is Gray Envy. This is such a pretty color. I have nothing like this in my collection. I'm not going to be swatching these because I'm going to be giving some out, and I don't know what I'm going to be giving out yet, so I'm really sorry about that, guys. But whatever I keep, I will be swatching on my TikTok, so if you want to go ahead and follow me there, I'll leave all the details in the description box below. This next one is in the color Smoky Rose. This is darker, and it's so pretty. I love the component. First of all, I love square components. They are so cute to me, and the color is really pretty. I did get doubles because I do want to give some away. This other one is Corrupt Cranberry. This is even darker than the two that I just showed you. I think this is the darkest one that I have from this brand, and it's super pretty. Next, I got this beautiful red, which is Rebel Red number 35. Such a pretty in person. It looks like a blue based red. So I cannot wait to try this on. I did buy this one for myself. I will be swatching that in my TikTok if you want to go ahead and follow me. And this other one is Twisted Tulip. This is the only pink one that I found, and I'm like, you know what, why not take it? And then the cool thing about these is that if you have different colors, you're always able to mix them, which I think is super cool. I have another Corrupt Cranberry, can't even talk, but that's not new. Another Corrupt Cranberry, and I did get another red one. Like I said, these are so pretty. I cannot wait to actually like try it out. This one is Smoky Rose. I did get a lot of doubles, like I told you guys, because I want to give some to my mom and stuff. Okay, these next ones are actually from Maybelline, and these are the Color Sensational lipsticks. This one is the Matte Carnal Brown in the number 704, and that's the color right there. That's a super unique color. I don't have anything like this. I am going to keep this one for myself, and I cannot wait to see how that color actually looks. This next one is 785, and it's called Chocoholic. That's a really beautiful brown. Literally reminds me of like a Hershey's chocolate. And then I have this LA Colors. This is Meant to Be. Isn't that cute? This is Meant to Be. It's a macaron or macaron or however you say it. It's so cute. For $125, like, you can't go wrong with these things. Then I have the Chapstick Total Hydration Lip Scrub. I love lip scrubs. Right now my lips have been feeling a little chapped, whatever. So I bought this. Hopefully I like it, and then the color is really pretty. I hope it leaves my lips at least a little bit like this. If it does, it's gonna be amazing. So it has vitamin E and coconut oil, so that's super cool. And then these, I'm super excited to actually try these. I'm actually keeping these for myself. I might just keep one. I'm not gonna be stingy. I'm not gonna be greedy, I should say. I'm gonna probably keep one and then give the rest away. This is from Chapstick Total Hydration, and this has actually a tint. This is the color Very Berry. And then I have one that's called Peach Keen. And then the last one is Pretty in Pink. So I got 3. The colors are super pretty. I just had coffee, that's why I'm like They're so cute. And then I found these lashes, guys, but these lashes are not it. To me, to each their own, right? But to me, these are ugly. And I want to try to fix them because I see potential in them. So they're from the brand Color Mates, and it just says lash out. And look how these look. I feel like if you brush them out a lot with like a blow dryer, they're gonna look really good. So I cannot wait to try these. I will be definitely doing a video on my TikTok, so don't forget to follow me. I also got this heart, so what I'm planning to do is to fill it up with goodies for my hubby. He's a snacker, so I'm going to fill this up for him and put a lot of stuff, but for now it's gonna hold my lipsticks and stuff. I also got this product and I was super excited to see it. It actually was like in the bag, so I had to like dig for it. It's a silicone facial cleansing brush. It actually vibrates, which I think is super cool. Back then, I don't know what brand it was that sold a face wash, and it had one of these on there, and I used to love that thing. I never bought another one, and I saw this and I was like, it vibrates, plus it has the silicone like head. Yes, let me try it. So it's gonna give a little bit of exfoliating on the skin. Super excited, and the color is super cute, and I like that you're able to like stand it up, which I think is so cool, because the other one I wasn't able to put it anywhere. I just literally had to have it like this, or like, I don't know, it was not like sanitary for me. I don't know, maybe it's just me in my head, but this one, I'm happy that you're able to like stand it up and stuff. So I'm super excited about this. Next, I found this scrunchie. It reminds me of Boucle. I don't know about you guys, but it's so cute. I like these kind of scrunchies because, like I've told you guys a million times, I don't have a lot of hair, and I don't want something that's going to pull on my hair and like hurt my hair. So I love these, and they're so cute. Plus, they look really cute on your hand. Like, I don't know, I feel like I have a little teddy bear on my hand, and the color is everything. They had a baby pink one, they had a baby blue one, and they had like a lilac, but I had to choose this one. It was so cute. Okay, I bought this because I do plan to actually put a gift in here, and I was like, you know what, the person can use it for something. So I was like, why buy something else when they could actually use this to store something? I don't know what, but you know, you're able to store something in here, which I thought was super cute. So I got this, and okay, so I got this wine cup. I don't actually have a lot of wine cups, and I've been getting into wine lately, and this one says XOXO love. What, Irma? It's cute, it's pretty big, and I'm excited to grow, you know, a little collection from the Dollar Tree, you know. And then moving on, I bought this soap that is rose scented. It's so cute. It has little hearts. I don't know how stinky it's gonna be, because you know some rose things smell kind of bad to the point where it makes your head hurt. I hope that doesn't happen with this. So yeah, I got that as well. And oh my god, so if you guys are into like having scents throughout your whole house, you like it to smell good, because I am obsessed with having my house smell good. Like, something you should know about me is I'm a clean freak. I like my house to be clean, and I like it to smell good. I'm always looking for a fragrance or something to have my whole house smelling really good. Glade, yes, Glade. This from Glade is my favorite scent. Is the Hawaiian Breeze. This smells so good. I have never tried one of these specifically, but I always have like the oil, the ones that go in the wall, the plugins. But I've never tried one of these, so I was like, you know what, why not? $125. Like, this thing is huge, so I'm so excited to use this, and I can already smell it. This smells so good. If you've never smelled this one, smell it. It smells divine. And I like another one that's called Very Berry or something berry, which is like a purpley red one. I like to mix both, so I have one on one side of the room, and then I'll have the other one on the other side of the room. They combine, and it's just the perfect scent. I can't even explain it to you. It's like you're on a tropical vacation. That's what I could kind of say. So If you have never smelled this, go and smell it. It's really, really good. Okay, like I told you guys, I'm doing some like gifts, and I bought these. This is so cute. If there's something that you should know about me, is that I'm really good at like writing. I love to write, specifically poems and songs and all that. I have a lot. I've always liked this since I was younger, and I have notebooks filled with poems and like poetry and songs and stuff, and I cannot wait to write. Oh my god. And then I got this one for my hubby. He actually has a pickup, and I was like, oh my god, this reminds me of your pickup, even though his is black. But it's so cute. I cannot wait to write on here. There's so much space. I cannot wait to write on there. Like, I get so excited when I'm able to write something to someone that I really, really love. So next, I got this mesh, and I'm planning to put it in the big heart that I showed you guys, like on the bottom, to make it look even more cute. So I cannot wait to do that. I will be filming it if you guys want to see it on TikTok. So now I'm going to do like the food stuff. So I'm going to start off with the hummus mango. He loves this one, and I am planning to put it in his little basket. So I'm like, ooh, I didn't even know that they sold those. Usually these in stores are almost $2, and I got it for $1.25. I'm like, score. And another drink that's his favorite is this Jarritos Mandarin. He loves this stuff. It's like an addiction. I'm just joking. It's not an addiction, but he loves Jarritos, especially that one. And then I got him this. He likes these chocolates. I don't know why. All the Valentine's Day, like little thingies like this, he loves them. And it's a little owl. I'm like, oh, this is so cute. So hopefully he likes it. And then I got him these Raisinets. He loves these. He buys these a lot. Don't think that he eats all of this in one sitting. Like, no, he spaces it out, and he's really active too. But yeah, he loves these. And then I got him corn nuts that have chile picante with lime. These are really, really good. And then what else did I get? I also got this Godiva, whatever. It's a milk chocolate with caramel. And then I saw this. I didn't even know that Dollar Tree had this. It's a funnel cake mix. It makes 6. I wonder if this is actually good. I used to eat these a lot when I was younger, and I'm like, you know what? Let's try to make it. And we'll be filming a TikTok for it. So I'm super excited about this, and hopefully it's good. Okay, moving on. I love cooking sprays, specifically these two. This is butter flavored, and this is coconut oil. So right now I'm trying to take care of my weight. I'm doing exercise, I'm eating good, and I feel really good. And I like to cook with these. These are what I usually use when I cook for myself. When it comes to my hubby, I'll use butter, or I'll use like masola oil. I love that one. My family has been using it for years, so that's what I typically use. But when it comes to myself, I love these. I love coconut oil in general. I even put it on toast, like toast and then a little bit of coconut oil, and it's so good. If you haven't tried it, try it with a little coffee on the side. Café con leche. Perfect breakfast. And we have reached my last bag, but as you saw, it's pretty full. Okay, so then I got these Hershey Kisses. These are in the gray packaging, and these are in the red ones. So I'm going to be mixing them for the gifts that I told you guys about. And these, oh my god. So if you guys like pickles, I don't know if you have heard of these, the Oh Snap pickle bites. This one is in Sassy Bites. This one is one of my favorites. And then this other one has to be my top favorite. It's the Hottie Bites. These are so good. If I feel like I want something, just like a little snack, I'll have 1 or 2 pieces. And those are so good, guys. If you've never tried them, try them, because they are so, so good. Obviously, if you like pickles, I know it's either like you like pickles or you hate them. I feel like there's no in between when it comes to pickles. Now moving on to seasonings. I like to season my food really good. I don't like to only use salt and pepper and that's it. No, I like to use a lot of onion powder, garlic powder, and then chives. So I was running low on these, so I had to stock up. I don't know. I feel like when you come from a Mexican household, you have to season your stuff really good. Next, I have Premier protein shakes. So I have 6. That's all I have in the bag. I love these a lot. I use these as meal replacements. So in the morning, I'll have one of these with coffee and I sip on it, and it keeps me full throughout the majority of my morning, and they're really, really good. This one is one of my favorites. It's the vanilla flavored, and it's really good. They have other flavors, caramel, cookies and cream. They have chocolate. They have cinnamon roll. They have so many flavors, but I love this one because you're able to like fix it to your liking. I like to make it like taste like agua de horchata. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's really, really good. It's rice water in English. I don't know. It sounds weird to me, rice water. But yeah, there's so many ways you could drink this. There's so many ways you could use it. And I love this stuff. Right now that I'm trying to lose weight, I use these a lot. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you that watches my videos, that comments, that shares, that likes. It really means a lot to me. We're almost there to the 1K, and I cannot believe it. It doesn't matter how much time it takes me. As long as people enjoy my stuff, that's what matters. I will see you in my next video. Bye.